beautiful crew. I love you guys so much, my little unicorns, mermaids, and fairies. So, or whatever you identify with. I kind of like, I would be any one of those three. Let me just say that. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do today is not remove these nails because I'm just really not in the mood to do a full set. Mainly, I'm not in the mood to do a removal. So we're gonna go ahead and do a fill and redesign on the nails I'm already wearing. The edges were starting to look a little raggedy, and I was like, well, let's just fill them. So what I'm doing is just, excuse me, taking off the top coat pretty basically, giving them a nice surface to work on. And then I'm going to come in and push back all the cuticles. I'm going to breeze through this part. There is a prep video on the channel. I will link it for you guys if you want to see how I prep. But so I'm just going to breeze through this one. Not a lot of explanation because frankly, guys, I'm a little distracted today. I did a dumb thing. And it's all that is occupying my mind right now. I made a huge mistake. And I've done everything I can to fix it, and now I'm just holding my breath to make sure, well, not to make sure, to hoping that I've not destroyed my whole happiness right now. So anyway, I don't want to be too dramatic about it, although I guess I really just was. But guys, we'll talk about it after it's done, when I've either fixed it or not fixed it. And there it is. So I'm just finishing up the prep. I'm doing prime, prep and prime, prep, then prime. And now I'm coming in with tack, which is by Light Elegance. So did you guys notice, not, you know, I don't know if there's drama involved in this or not, but Kirsty Meakin started posting on her own video channel about 3-4 months ago. And Nao Nails has not uploaded a video in like 4 months. Have y'all noticed that? So I wonder what's up there. Is she not working with them anymore? Because I noticed that when she was doing phase nails the other day, she really wasn't using any Nao nail products. She was using a bunch of other stuff. So I'm just curious. I've honestly not been really focused on the community lately because I've been so busy with everything in my own life. So I'm only just now catching up on some of the nail videos I missed. Do you guys know any tea? Is there any tea? Can you spill it? Can you spill the tea? So anyway, guys, I'm just coming in and filling this in. I don't do fills that much on the channel, but I decided I would just fill with this, with the vrenmol, sorry, the name would not come to me, that's already on that nail. And I filled all the nails with the same gel because it matches all of them. It's all the same product company. And so I just went with that. Now on the two nails that have a ton of glitter, I'm going to put these really subtle stickers on top because I feel like what we're about to do to the nails is going to be a very galaxy feel. So we're going to do this sun and moon. And I'm pulling that off and just setting it on the nail. And then I'm going to use my little tweezers to position it where I want. Really, really simple. You can also just slide it off onto your nail. And if I were working with my dominant hand, that's what I would have done. But I'm working with my left hand in this video, as you can see. So I didn't do that. I just didn't do that. It's not the way I went with it. Because I tried. See, I tried. I need to practice it. When you're working with your non-dom, you eventually get where you want to be, but it just takes a little bit longer. Right? Right, guys? So now I'm dotting some colors down, and those are Beetles. That's by Beetles. It's the Macaroon collection, in case you were wondering. And I can link the unboxing up here, too. And I'm just dotting it. I put down a base coat, and now I'm dotting this on it. And then we're going to grab a brush. And I'm adding a little white because I want this to be a very, very light galaxy set. Most galaxy nails are really dark, super black with a lot of lighter colors, but I really didn't want to go in that direction. I just wanted to keep it super light and airy and springtime because I'm really feeling that colorful vibe right now, and I don't want to wear black nails. I just don't like it. Now, when you're going over these stickers, what I like to do is just add a little blob to the top of the sticker and then float it over, because your brush can really tear those. So be so gentle on the stickers, okay, guys? And then we're just base coating all these nails and then coming in with our dots. Now this one is going to get one little swoosh, and that's it. Through the glitter, down there's that little spot. And I'm just going to give it a little swoosh, and then I'm going to add some to the index finger, and we're going to swoosh that around too. We are also going to add some little star glitters, and I'm pretty sure I only actually show that on the thumb. I'm not sure what exactly happened with the footage for the rest of it, but it just doesn't seem to exist. So maybe it was a situation where I don't know. My brain is not in this video right now. It's in my mistake. So guys, send me all your good juju right now. I need all the vibes. So and now on this last one, we're going to go ahead and do some dotting here. Do some dotting. You know, I also started editing this video last night when I was really tired, so I don't even know what I did. So then we're just going to come in and swoosh it around. And I do realize I don't think I have enough blue in there, so I grab a little bit of blue on my brush, and then she's happy. So now these are the little star glitters right here that I have. And we, excuse me, we are going to put those in there. Just the really tiny ones. I don't want this, I just want this set to be subtle, right? But also, like, it's not uber subtle because it's got glitter and stuff in there. But at the same time, it's not like the brightest set I've ever worn by any stretch. And it's top coat time. Okay, you are going to see the little bits of glitter on the other ones that I added, the little stars. I'm sorry for the missing footage on that, but it's pretty repetitive, just, you know, adding individual glitters. So, but again, sorry about that. I do try to add everything as often as I can. So, I love these little stickers. They are really fun. There's a few in the pack that have a white background that irritate me. But other than that, these Macute stickers have really been super fun to work with. I enjoy them. So I would probably purchase like a different set or something from them. But definitely, if you're listening, Macute, no more white backgrounds. Seriously. People want to put things on colored nails. So we're just cleaning off the sticky layer and cleaning off this little palette, because why not be thrifty? And then I'm going to add my oils, because after a new set or a fill, you definitely want to nourish those cuticles and that skin. And I just rub in all the excess. And here we go, the finished set. Don't forget to hit me in the comments and let me know what you think. We will see you next week for more nails. Love you guys. Bye-bye.